Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use the horizon lock video stabilization on Motorola Signature. First, open the camera application on your smartphone. Then go to video mode by selecting video right here on the mode selection bar, and then find this icon with camera with the horizon, with the line in the middle of it, and make sure to turn it the blue color, and this way you will enable the horizon stabilization. And now you can start recording a video with the horizon stabilization enabled, so you can try to slightly move your phone in different sides and see how it affects the video eventually. So let's actually take a look at the video that we recorded. Stabilization enabled, so you can try to slightly move, and that's pretty much what it looks like. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.